it's your girl Devonna Nicole. Thank you guys for joining me today. So guys, my FabFitFun box has arrived this week, and I wanted to share what I received in my box with you guys. If you guys are not familiar with this box, this is a lifestyle box. This box ships out every quarter. So this box costs for an annual membership $219.99, and for a per box cost, if you just want to get it per box, it's going to be $59.99. And this box comes with all different kind of stuff. If you're an annual member, you do get to pick your items before it ships. So I love that part about being an annual member. And I also like that they have a lot of like cool different things in this box. Like, so this box has like stuff from homeware to makeup to skincare, perfumes, beauty tools. It has such a vast variety of items that you can get, and I love that about this box. But guys, without any further delay, we're going to get right into what I got for my box. So my box is fully customized since I picked everything, and I'm going to show you what I picked for each option. And we're going to open her up. And I thought that was cute that the inside says this. And we're going to get right into what's in here. And of course, you know, they send us these advertisements all the time. And then we have a scratch off. And this one is win a prize pack valued at $10,000. Oh, wow. So this is their FabFitFun game. So you just need to scratch this to see if you're a winner. And let's see what my first option is. So guys, the first item for my first selection was the Short Stories fry pan here. So this is valued at $45, it says, for the frying pan. And this, I love the fact that it has the stainless steel handle, which means that I can also use this in the oven, which is great. Like if you're like sauteing something and you want to kind of finish it off in the oven or in the broiler. So I like the fact that it does have the stainless steel, and this does look like a nice pan, by the way. So I mean, this is the pan here. But it says it's an 8-inch fry pan that we have here. And it said whipping up our faves has never been easier. Get going with these new spring recipes that you might want to try out with Short Stories and Joe Sasta's frying pan. So the stainless steel handle, non-stick coating on the pan makes it fully functional and durable. And this is a great piece to add to your kitchenware. So I do like that. And yeah, that's how you know you're an adult. You get excited about getting a pan, like, because if you know, like if you use your non-stick pans, like if they get any scratches or anything in them, you gotta toss them because the coat is broken. So I always like to have extra pans, and this is a great size that I will probably use more often than not, is the smaller one just for myself. But yeah, I thought this was a great fit for me. So that was my first selection out of my FabFitFun box. So let's see what else I got. So guys, the next item I selected, I went with the Free People candle. This candle is valued at $40, and this is the surf candle. So I'm gonna take it out. It has notes of jasmine and coconut. So this is how it comes. And it really has a nice fresh smell of like the beach. I really like this. It really does smell like the beach. So very, it's like really getting ready for the summer now. I really like this. This smells very clean, not too heavy, but you definitely smell the coconut in this one. And this is again a $40 value candle. It says this is the perfect spring candle, enveloping the room in a floral and citrus inspired scent, infused with exotic flowers, tropical fruits, and notes of vanilla. So yes, I really like this. This is a 8-ounce single wick candle, as you guys can see. And yeah, this was my selection for the second customization. So let's see what else I picked. So guys, my third selection was for the Molten Brown body wash. So this is the Molten Brown body wash. This is valued at $35, and this is in the fragrance Orange and Bergamot. Turn your house into a hotel escape with this elevated essential. This London-based bath body and beauty company has created your new fave shower gel, and it says whether you choose the original scent or orange and bergamot filled with notes of fresh orange and musk, or the coastal cypress and sea fennel that combines the marine notes with cool spice, or both. You can't go wrong when you use this with your daily routine. So yeah, I'm very familiar with the Molton Brown brand. However, I have never used this particular shower gel before, so I'm kind of excited to see what it smells like. Oh, it does have actually, I was expecting it to have a heavy bergamot scent, and I'm actually surprised it really doesn't. Yeah, it smells a little like candy to me. Yeah, it smells a little like candy, but yeah, the bergamot is like a light scent. You smell the orange. Yeah, I can't wait to try this. I think this would be nice to use. This is valued at $35 for the shower gel, guys. So yeah, that was my third customization. So let's go on to my next one. So guys, this is my fourth customization here. I went with the Sashu Beauty Stay in peel off lip liners and in the color pink and mauve. So this is valued at $24. You do get two of them in here. I'm gonna take them out so I can show you guys. I did use this one before today's look so I could kind of try it out, and I kind of recorded it so I could show you guys. But basically this goes on like you line your lips with the color, and you kind of need to put it on pretty thick so you can peel it off, because if you go on light with it, you're not able to kind of peel this one off at all. But yeah, you go on kind of thick with drawing it onto your lips, and then you wait 10 to 15 minutes and then you peel it off. So I guess I learned that I should have put it on thicker, I think on this side of my lip, my upper lip, and then the bottom peeled off pretty good. It did have a little bit of residue, so I think that's probably because I didn't put it on thick enough in some spots, that I just kind of just wiped it away with my lip. But yeah, I thought it was fun. It did leave the stain, so you do see the outline of the lip liner once you do put it on. But yeah, they gave us two colors, so the mauve and we have the pink. So I used the mauve color for my lips because I knew I was going to put on something with some kind of red or something in it, so I just put that one on. And yeah, it was fun. I've heard about this. I heard about it on TikTok and people buying these peel off lip liners, but I never got a chance to try it. So yeah, that is different. So I'm curious to know how long this stuff lasts, like on your lips. Like, does it stay on all day or does it wear off after a while? I guess I'll find out because I've never used this before. But yeah, it was pretty easy to use. But yeah, you definitely have to put it on thick when you're putting it on your lip line area so that you're able to peel it up and pull it off. So that would be my tip. So I thought this was fun to use, and they normally in FabFitFun will include like little products like this, like things that went viral or that people are talking about. They'll try to put it in a box, so I do like that, and I did get to try it, and I liked it. I just need to. So guys, the next customization I had for number 5 was going to be the topicals. This is the Slick Slav. This is like a lip balm, and this is in a mint lip balm. So this one is valued at $16, and it says slicker than your average lip balm. This is a vegan barrier building balm, instantly hydrates, soothes, and protects even the driest lips. So I always have a problem with dry lips in the wintertime, so I figured I better grab this. So that's why I selected this for my choice. So I can't wait to use it. I've been getting more products and from Topical slowly but surely to try out. So I've heard of this brand. I heard good things about the Fade Cream, and I just got that in my icon box, so I'm using that now, trying that out. And now I have the lip balm here to also try out, so that should be fun. Let's go on and see what else I got. And guys, I went with the Lifestyle Company, and I got a perfume. And this one is called Intention. This is valued at $32. And I picked this one because I got another one before from the Lifestyle Company. And one of the other boxes, the Mood. I I really love that one. That one smells so good. So this is like the travel size kind of bottle that you get here with the perfume here. And this one says it's invigorating and uplifting notes of sea salt, bergamot, and what is it? Middle notes of sage, jasmine, and lily. And base notes of warm amber, musk, sandalwood, and expertly combined to create a very fresh and earthy scent to become your new spring fragrance. And this is valued at $40, guys. So your girl loves perfume over here. So you know I'm a spray, right? So it has like a really clean scent to it. I don't really smell anything fruity. It smells very clean. So if you like clean scents and you don't like too much fruity stuff, you probably would like this Intention. But yeah, it smells very clean, like a nice clean scent. It's not heavy. It has sort of like a light kind of smell about it. Doesn't feel like it's a heavy scent, but it's kind of light. But yeah, so Intention was the perfume I got. Again, this is $40. And let's go to the next one. Alright guys, so the next customization I did, I went with the Glow Recipe product. This is their Cloudberry Bright Essence Toner. This is $38. And I actually did get this earlier in the year, no, last year, end of last year. I did get this in another box. I want to say it was like BoxyCharm. I got this in. And I really actually like it, and I'm using it now, and I just figured, you know, why not get another one, and I don't have to buy one. So yeah, I like this toner. It says this toner is a must-have in your skin routine, especially this one from Glow Recipe. This Cloudberry is a vitamin C and antioxidant rich fruit, and this is brightening treatment. It evens skin tones and reduces the appearance of hyperpigmentation, if I could talk, hyperpigmentation. And it says, pro tip, it doubles as a serum booster, so use this post cleaning to maximize the benefits and the rest of your skincare. So this is good for all skin types. Oily, sensitive, no, it doesn't say sensitive, I'm sorry, normal, dry, combination, and oily skin types. This is good for. So it doesn't say sensitive, so you know, I don't know about sensitive people, but yeah, for me, works fine. I like it. So I figure I would grab another out of that customization. So let's go on to my last customization. Okay guys, so the last item I customized, I decided to go with the Crystal Haze Mini Serena Hoops in gold. These are valued at $85. It says $85. They're not even real. They're like gold plated. Yeah, because on here it says gold plated clear cubic zirconia. Okay, so I got these little hoops because I like earrings, of course. Who doesn't? But let me take them out, and these are the earrings here, and on the front they have like the cubic zirconia on it, and then on the back it's more like the gold here. But look, this is what they look like, and I thought this was like really good for me. I thought this was like a really nice pair of earrings, and that you could just, you know, wear, and pretty simple but nice. You know, it's not like it's overdone. A nice pair of just simple earrings with a little bit of bling I thought would be perfect, so I went with these earrings. So that was my last customization, and I did get 2 add-on products, so I'm going to show you my 2 add-on products as well. So my first one here was the Maison Louis Marie candle, and this is a pretty nice size candle here. And if you've smelled the fragrance before, I'm not sure if you have, but I have smelled the fragrance before. I actually have a roller, a little mini roller oil of this fragrance. So I picked up the candle because I thought, you know, why not? I like bougie candles, so this is perfect for me. So I picked this one up. And then the other item that I picked up as my add-on, I went with the Spongelle. They had a pedicure one, which I actually had one before from them with the pedicure, and I really like it. So this is how this one looks. So just like the regular Spongelles, you can get like so many uses out of them, but like it has like the little buffer here on the back for your feet, and then this kind of foams up and you get like so many washes out of here. This says 10 plus washes, so I really like these for the feet. You know, it's starting to get warm. Y'all gonna have to show them heels, so you know you gotta put in the work on them heels, make sure they nice and soft. So I like stuff like this, so I picked up this. So guys, we'll quickly review everything that came in my box, but from the top, we got our pen here from Short Stories, which I really like. We have our Free People candle, and this is the jasmine and coconut. We have the Molten Brown. This is the orange and bergamot shower gel. I have the Topicals Mint Lip Balm. I have the Glow Recipe Cloud Berry Essence Toner. I have the Lifestyle Company. This is their Perfume Intention in a travel size. We have the, what is this company called? Sashu lip liner lip peel that you peel on lip liner and it kind of leaves the stain on your lips. So, and then I also got my earrings here. What was the name of this company again? They are Crystal Haze, and these are their gold plated mini hoops here that are very pretty. And then my add-on items of my candle and Spongelle pedicure wash. So that is my whole box in review. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and like the selections that I picked. You know, I find it hard sometimes to pick stuff when I do the customization, because I've been with them so long. I kind of have a lot of the stuff, so sometimes it's a little bit harder for me to make a choice. So I try to go with something that I already don't have when I make a lot of my selections, but I try to pick things that I feel like I'm actually used to. So I really enjoy the FabFitFun box. It's a fun box for me every time it comes, every quarter. So I just love getting this box. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you have picked up some of the same items or you grabbed this box, let me know what you got in the comments below. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.